Hey guys, OPPO sub-brand Reno is launching a new phone which is a mid-range phone called OPPO Reno Z. OPPO Reno Z press render confirms that the smartphone will have a water drop notch and a dual camera setup on the back. As you can see in the pictures, we don't find any fingerprint scanner here, so in-display fingerprint sensor will be there. So similar to the other two Reno series phone launched so far, the OPPO Reno Z will also have an attractive gradient finish. Moving to the specification of OPPO Reno Z, it will feature a 6.4 inch of AMOLED display with full HD plus resolution. To power it, there is a MediaTek Helio P90 processor clocked at a speed of 2.0 GHz. This processor will be coupled with 6 GB of RAM and there will be an 64 GB of internal storage that you can expand up to 256 GB. So 128 GB variant also is coming with this phone. For the optics, the camera will be dual rear camera of 48 MP primary lens plus 5 MP of an telephoto depth sensor. There is an huge 32 MP of selfie snapper using which you can take great selfies and portrait pictures. The battery will be 3950 mAh, which is a huge battery, and with that you will get an fast charging support of OPPO's VOOC 3.0 fast charging technology. So according to the smartphone's listing on the China Telecom website, OPPO Reno Z will be priced at 2,599 China's yen. So if we convert it to Indian price, you will get this phone for 26,600 and $450 in the international market. The launch date is not yet confirmed, but this phone you will get in China in June 2019, and in the coming months it will be launched in the other countries. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.